There are so many versions of mac and cheese. I like this one. It combines the best in kid favorites, hot dogs and colored noodles. So the hero ingredient is hot dogs. 2 long all-beef franks. Cut that into small pieces. Now, the mac part. Half a tablespoon of red chili flakes into the pasta water. And 2 cups of colored rotini pasta. Noodle fun. The fun noodle. Get that boiling for about 8 minutes of the total 12 recommended on the package. Test for doneness. Take out the excess water until it just covers the pasta. Keep it boiling and add the cut up hot dog. And let that boil for about 2 minutes. Add a tablespoon of flour and stir well to thicken the pasta water. Add a half a cup of cream. And stir that. And let that boil for a minute to thicken. add 1 cup of grated cheese. This one is Tex-Mex for a bit of added flavor. A bit of salt, but keep in mind that the hot dogs may be salty enough for your taste. Another minute to let the cheese melt into the cream sauce. Serve. Enjoy! So tasty and trendy, all in one pot.